In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can get a Fortnite dev account and get basically every single cosmetic in the game for completely free, including the Renegade Raider skin and every pickaxe for completely free. This video is actually crazy. You guys can watch the full entire video because, like I said, this tutorial is insane and it actually works. So yeah, as you guys see, I also have 1 million V-Bucks and I own every back bling in the game, and I can actually join my friends as well. So that is also pretty cool, and yeah, I have every cosmetic, and I control my friends, and I have 1 million V-Bucks. So make sure to watch the full entire video. So what you guys want to do is exit out Fortnite, and let's get started onto this tutorial. So you guys want to go into the link of the description. It's going to be a recognized link. So make sure to go in the link of the description, and it's going to take you to this recognized link. There's going to be 2 steps. So you guys want to go in the first step and subscribe to myself. Make sure to read over what the text says, but subscribe to myself, and then wait around 5 to 10 seconds, and then go back onto the page and then subscribe to my friend X Shadow, which is the second step. And then once you have subscribed to the both of us, you guys can wait 15 to 30 seconds and wait for it to unlock the link. So yeah. Also guys, sorry if my voice is a little bit off. I am on vacation and I'm not on my usual mic. So yeah, sorry if my voice is a little bit off. But yeah, you guys want to press unlock link, and then you guys can proceed with these steps. So yeah, once you guys have done this, proceed with these steps. And it's just going to take you to a linkvertise link right here. And then from here guys, you guys want to go on I'm Not a Robot. And then it's going to take you to the linkvertise like I said. And then press free access with ads. And then go discover interesting articles and read on 5 to 10 seconds. Then close this out. Then go on discover interesting related topics, and then click any of these and close it out, and then go back on to the linkvertise and close it out, and then continue with these steps. And this, you just want to download the Fortnite dev. So once you have done this, just download it. It's pretty simple, and yeah, you guys just want to run it. So once it runs as an administrator, just press next, skip all, and then press open, and then it's going to open my Beacons AI link, which I have right here for you guys. And then you guys want to go into the RexFN. Basically, everything on here is legitimate Fortnite devs and private servers, but for this video specifically, we're going to be doing RexFN. So you guys want to press RexFN, and then you guys can proceed with these steps. So yeah, it's the third link down. Also, I do update my Beacons AI link very often, so yeah, just go on RexFN, and then like I said, you guys just want to join their Discord, which is right here. So yeah, once you guys are in their Discord, you guys just want to join their Discord, and once you guys are here, you guys want to go into the rules and then react to the rules, and then you guys want to go on, make sure go on to the downloads, and there's going to be multiple downloads that you guys can actually install. So you guys want to go on to the first one and actually install the Storm installer. Also, sorry, this is actually Storm, not RexFN. So yeah, this is actually Storm dev. So yeah, you guys want to double click on the link, and you guys want to install WinRAR so you guys can actually extract these files. So you guys want to go into the blue button and then extract the files. So yeah, once you have WinRAR installed, you guys want to go into the how to use, and it's basically gonna show an easy installer. So then you guys want to go into the easy installer, and you just basically want to go into the how to use, and it's gonna show basically how to do everything. So you just want to copy that message right there and then paste it into the easy installer. So yeah, it's pretty simple, and this is where the steps actually get confusing, so make sure to watch very closely. So then it's going to enter, please enter a game file path location. So go into your desktop and then make a new folder. And yeah, once you guys have done this, you guys just want to enter the path file URL. So yeah, once you have done this, just enter the path file URL. You guys can find that. It's pretty simple. So yeah, just go into the white space and then just paste it in there. If you guys are confused, make sure to leave a comment down below and then just enter it. And then press enter, and it's going to install. It takes a little bit to install. For me, it takes around 10 minutes. But depending on your PC, it may take even up to an hour. So yeah, just be patient with that. And then once you guys have done that, you guys want to go back onto the Storm Discord server and then go into the second link, and then it's just going to go onto the Storm launcher. So yeah, you guys want to run the Storm launcher, and then you guys want to open the Storm launcher. So yeah, once you have opened the Storm launcher, if it doesn't open on the first try, you guys can go into the Storm launcher fix. So yeah, Also, they do update Storm very often, so yeah, if you guys want updated tutorials, make sure to turn on notifications. So yeah, double click on the link, and then you guys want to go onto the Storm Fix, and then go on Storm Launcher Fix, and this should work. It's just going to launch the hybrid launcher form of Storm. So yeah, you guys want to press launch, and it's going to ask for the file destination. So you guys want to go onto desktop and actually find the file that you installed the easy installer on. So yeah, just find the folder and then press select folder, and then you guys want to press and then you guys want to log into your Fortnite account, which you want to get Fortnite Dev on. So yeah, once you have done that, it's just going to automatically launch Fortnite. And also, if you guys are still watching, make sure to comment W and I'll heart your comment. But yeah, it's pretty simple, and you guys are going to load in Fortnite. You guys can close out that prompt. It doesn't really matter, but yeah, just close it out. And yeah, make sure not to exit it though. Just close out, and you guys should launch Fortnite. And as you guys see, we have got the Renegade Raider skin in our lobby right now. So yeah, it's pretty sick, guys. And if you guys want more tutorials like this, make sure to like and subscribe. But yeah, it's been your boy Radius. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Like I said, like and subscribe for more updated dev tutorials and Fortnite modding. But I'll see you all in the next video. It's been your boy Radius. Peace out.